Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I will unbox my first Look Fantastic box. This is my first time, so I did a 1 year subscription because if you buy it single one box, you will pay it for 20 euros. And if you do a subscription for 12 months, you will pay around 50 euros. So yes, I said I did the best. I subscribed for 1 year, so I'm very excited to get this box. Look at the packaging, how beautiful it is. Let's see, let's open it. They're written very beautiful words, and then they give you an L magazine in English. I think it's okay. And then they give you this little pamphlet that they written about the products, their products, what it is. Every month the products they sent about it. So the first product they give me is this mouse. It is a hair mouse by Christophe Robin, and it is a natural organic product. So it is made of roses. So good smell of roses. If you can see the consistency, it is a hair mouse. So what it does, it says this 85% of natural origin formula brings immediate volume and thickness to fine hair without weighing it down. Apply on wet hair, massage into the scalp, emulsify, and then rinse. Apply the volumizing conditioner with rose extract on the lens if needed. Hair is left with incredible volume and body at the roots while feeling full and light. No paraben, silicones, SLS, and colorant. So I don't know, it is written made in Italy, but I never know this brand, so I'm excited to use it and see. The other one they sent me this Vita Liberata Advanced Organic Fabulous. This is a cream of bronze tanned. If you want to have a tan skin for summer, you can use it. So what it says, self tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. It is made in, I think it is made in, it doesn't written where it is made in. So yes, it is said 75 plus organic, 100% per clean, formulated with marula, shea butter, glycobiloba to soothe and moisturize. A supple sun-kissed glow develops over 4 to 8 hours and can be maintained or deepened with regular use. This conditioning and hydration lotion blends nourishing, natural and organic extract with a touch of tanning, with odor remove technology for zero smell and moisture locking system for 72-hour hydration. Let's see. If you can see, it is a white cream. I thought it was brown because to give you a tan skin. No, it has no smell. No, zero smell. Yeah, I like it. So I'm excited to try it and see what the result. This is second product, and the third product they give me. This one. It is Ritual. It is a body cream. So the ritual of Tao, bringing peace and tranquility into your life. Be kind to your skin body cream. Organic white lotus and yin yang rain. So what is this? Asian Tao philosophy focuses on balancing yin and yang, bring peace and tranquility into your life. Rich, nourishing body creams leave the feeling of silky soft. So yes, this I heard this brand. You can get it on Sephora because I saw it there. It's very, the smell of it, I think. If you can see, the consistency is very thick and very soft, and it's absorbed easily into the skin. So, oh my god, it feels like a spa. You are doing a spa. So nice. Oh my god, so beautiful. So yes, I'm excited to try it because I never tried this brand. So yeah, why not? And then they sent me this. This is a eye glitter. Wait, let me see. Studio 10 liquid foil eye radiance. A crease resistant eyeshadow is hard to find, especially one that hydrates and blends seamlessly on your lid, so you will fall in love with this long-lasting silky mousse metallic eyeshadow. This amazing eyeshadow can be layered for extra pop and radiance that gives you the perfect party eyes. How to use it? Apply to lower and upper eyelid and blend with a brush or fingertips. BB tips. Try using a radiant primer under your favorite eyeshadow for the long-lasting color. So it is said you must use a primer before you use it because it can last longer. So let's try it. Wow. Ooh. If you can see I like it. So glitter. Let's try to apply it on my eyelid. Oh. Wow. If you can see the difference, this one and this one. Yeah. Wow. Oh. So in Italy, I never see this brand. So I think it is a UK brand. So yeah, I'm very impressed by this eye foil shadow. Yes, you can see. So yes, I'm excited. Plus it is a gold shadow, so I can use it over a eyeshadow to pop. And then they give me this it is a mask by Madara organic skincare. So it is in organic skincare. I never heard about this brand, so yeah, we can give a try to see if I like it or not. Instant Moisture Plus Radiance Hydra Mask, scientifically proven to rehydrate skin. Okay, instruction. Usage: apply to a clean skin, leave on or gently clean with a wet cloth or cotton pad after 15 to 20 minutes. And it is made, I don't know where it is made. So yeah, I like to try new masks to see if I like it or not, and even if I like it I can buy it full size. So yeah, I'm excited to try it and give it a try. And then they give me this. This is a lipstick queen. This is a lipstick pencil. So lip pencil. If you can see, it is nude. So I will swatch it. No, you don't see it well. If you can see, it's a beautiful color. I like it. So yeah, I'm excited. I think it's a very small one, so you can give it a try. So yeah, another product. And then they give me this. This is a Real Chemistry. This is a cream. You must use it, a moisturized cream. So for a supple, luminous glow, environmental rescue, essential day cream. So you use it how you use it. Use daily of the Environment Rescue Dairy Serum for the best result. So you must use a serum and then you apply this moisturized cream to have a best result. And it is made in China. I don't know. It is 100% cruelty free, paraben and sulfate free. So yeah, I'm excited to try it. And look at this packaging, so nice. You use it and you close it. Yeah, so that you don't waste the product. And it is how much ml? It is 10 ml. So yeah, very nice to have an idea. You close the product and you reuse it for several times. Yes, a good idea. And then the final one is Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. I heard this brand. Oh my god, I heard this brand, but it is a bit high-end product. So I'm so happy they give me this to try it, and I heard so much good thing about this brand. So yeah, I'm so happy they give me and try it. If I like it, it is a sample size. If you yeah, send 30 ml. It is a sample size, so I'm excited to try it. Let's see what it does. It is a prebiotic gel cleanser. So defined by nature, led by science, this gentle facial wash revives and refreshes while deeply cleansing the skin. Nutrient-dense superfoods have been chosen to enhance natural glow, natural radiance for outdoor and fresh glow. Direction: use daily, morning and evening, and rinse thoroughly. If contact with eye occurs, rinse thoroughly. So this is a UK brand. So yes, I'm excited to use it. Yeah, thank you. Look fantastic. It's nice. So they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. 8 products. So yeah, my thoughts about this beauty box, about this Look Fantastic box. So I'm very impressed. I'm very amazed by how much products you get. So yeah, so I think I have done a good choice to do for 1 year subscription, and I'm very happy for that because they give me a lot of brand, even international brand like UK brand and yeah, UK brand mostly of the products. So yes, I'm very excited, and even they give you this beautiful magazine, if you can see the magazine. So yeah, I say yes, I give it a thumbs up, and I'm happy with this purchase. So we will meet next video, and bye bye and take care. So yes, please subscribe to my channel and give me a support. So till now, till then, bye bye.